In this session, we will learn about how to access resources using bundles deployed in the Felix console. After all, for Sling, everything is a resource. We will update the bundle we developed with a method that accesses a node and prints its title. Though it sounds very simple, we'll learn about a very important interface, a resource a resolver factory. This interface helps you to get a resource resolver. A resource resolver gets you the resource object that provides you the functionalities to manipulate the nodes and its properties. We'll also learn about the adaptive method that helps you to translate an object into a different object type. So let us start. In the Hello Service interface, add a method get page title. Import the following classes. Add a reference to a resource resolver factory like this. Now we need to implement the get page title method. Create a hash map object with a string and object combination. Put a resource a resolver factory subservice and the service associated with that to the hash map. This is a new security layer added in AEM on version 6.1 onwards. It means that the resource a resolver object we create is used by a read service process that we would be creating later. Now create a reference to a resource a resolver. After that, create a resource a resolver object using a resolve factory dot get service a resource resolver method. As I mentioned earlier, for Sling, everything is a resource. Generally, you use Sling APIs for doing any content manipulation. Getting a resource resolver object is imperative for accessing the nodes in awk and later doing various operations such as create, read, update, and delete. You can compare it to creating a connection object in Java to a database. Now create a resource object by passing the path to our company page in the get resource method. Here we code the resource associated with this path. Now we can translate this resource object into a page object. We use adapt to method for it. Note that the method takes the class name, that is page.class, to which we want to translate the resource. We do this operation to avail various APIs associated with various objects such as node, page, and so on. In this case, we use the get title method in the page object. We basically use the get title method and quote the name of the title. Creating a resource a resolver factory object can throw a null or login failed exception, and that's the reason we added a try catch block here. I don't want to get into details of it. It is basic Java. Now log into CRSD Lite, update the bundle service component to print the page title we got in the last step. That way we can test if the bundle works fine. Update the bundle service.jsp and the following code. We have already created an object, and using that object we are calling the method that we created just now. Now we need to create a service user mapper service. Log into system console, go to OSGI configuration, search for the service, select edit, and add this. The first part represents the bundle from which we are accessing the service. The second part is the service theme that we used in the method read service. And the third part, system user, is a system user that we are going to create. Now we need to create a system user. Log into CRXD Explorer, select user administration, create system user, and you provide uh, the user ID, that is sys user, that is what we used when we created the mapper. Submit. Now we need to provide the newly created system user access to avail the corresponding path. Log into user admin, search for the user, go to permissions, content. Basically, this is the node we want to give permission. For the time being, provide full access like this. Once you are done, select save. Now, let us access the company page. You could see that the name of the node is AEM company. It gets printed here. That's about the session. Basically, we didn't do anything complex, but it is very important to understand this concept. I hope this is helpful. See you people soon.